In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Microsoft Word not highlighting mistakes. So usually Microsoft Word should be able to highlight any spelling mistakes on your Word document with a red line. However, if that's not the case on your Word, then it means this spelling correction is not enabled on your Microsoft Word document. To enable this, go ahead and open your document or any document and then click on File, and under File, go ahead and choose Options. Now under Options, go ahead and choose Proofing, and then here you should see we have autocorrect options enabled. Now make sure all these are checked and then enter when correcting spelling and grammar in Word. Here is where you need to check the first option, check spellings as you type. Now if we enable this, this will enable spellings to be checked while typing. Also make sure that you have checked on mark grammar errors as you type, frequently confused words, as well as check grammar with spellings. Then go ahead and click on OK, and now you can see spelling mistakes have been highlighted in my document. So each and every time you make any mistake, it will be highlighted in your work, upon which when you just right click on it, you can go ahead and now choose the correct spelling and it will be auto corrected. So that's how you can enable spelling checker in Microsoft Word. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.